Hello, you asked for aluminum version of the case, so I finally managed to assemble it. I was waiting for some parts to come actually for this linkage elements. I wanted to test a new feature. But finally I resigned from this. So actually I was testing a locking feature that either would have a ball somewhere, for example here, and this would like block the case while it's closed, and also and another element that had like a linear spring here that would lock into this pin when closing. But I wasn't satisfied with both of those, but I found a solution. I just reduced the clearance on this bushings here. Actually the clearance was a bit high in previous versions, so it was like quite loose, but for now it's it won't open. It does not even close in that position. So when the modules will be here, probably it won't lift that side if you do like rapid move. Yeah, you can, when you do rapid, it can leave that side. So also what's characteristic to raw aluminum, that the surface it will not be perfectly even. Like the color of this is a bit like shady, and it's just specific of raw aluminum. We cannot do anything about that. Sometimes it's better, sometimes it's a bit lighter, like here. It really depends on a lot of factors. So if you wanted a clean, like a silver version, but clean and with harder surface, I recommend just anodized version, but without color. Yeah, so so it's also possible. And what you will get on those aluminum not raw versions is a lot of like scratches like this, just for no reason. It's really easy to scratch it, but it doesn't really matter. Yeah, so I'm looking if there's another one somewhere, but yeah, here it was here, for example. So it's normal because the raw aluminum is like so soft that it's really easy to scratch it. The sides look like that. And also I think what's worth mentioning also, and that I changed this linkage mechanism a bit. I just like swapped these links because just more it will be more robust. It's this element is like more stressed, so it should be closer to the point where force applies. Or let's say more correctly, the leverage on this pin should be shorter. Yeah. So that's why I swapped this. But really not much changes, maybe a bit sharper design here. I think that's it. And I think that's for now it's the final version of the design. So I'm probably not doing any research work on that right now. I'm going to focus on expanding this this concept to maybe some other areas, and we'll see what comes with that.